Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use markup and draw in photos in iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's start our video. First of all, click on photos. Click the photo in which you want to draw and make up. Click on this icon. Click on this markup icon. Click on OK. You will see a different type of tools. You want to draw anything with the help of this tool. You can use marker. You can also use pen. You can also use highlighter. You can also use eraser. You want to erase. You can thrift the area. This is scale tool. You want to draw a straight line with the help of this tool. Done. So that's how you can use markup and draw in photos in iPhone 17 Pro Max. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.